Metavin Abbas Amkajan is a Thai actor and model. His other name is Vin. Vin was born on February 21, 1999. Vin is 25 years old. Bangkok, Thailand is the city in which he was born. In 2020, he made his debut. GMM is Vin's agency name. He speaks Mandarin, Thai, and English with ease. With two older sisters, Mintra and Mesa, and one younger brother, Metas, he is the third of four siblings. He received his degree from Thammasat University. He attended Assumption College, a private Catholic boys' school in Bangkok, for his primary education after beginning his studies at Tenla Kindergarten School. He took part in a summer English program in the United Kingdom in 2014. He participated in the soccer squad at his high school and played American football as well. In his early years, he was a competitive golfer who won numerous competitions before having to retire from the game due to an injury. He is still playing golf for enjoyment, as seen by his frequent posts on social media. Launching his own fashion line Valenche in June 2020, Metavin promised to provide a portion of the sales to orphanages. Later that year, he and his sister co-founded Sauri, a desserts company. On September 9, 2021, he introduced his third venture, Vilato, a high-end ice cream brand. Metavin started his career in entertainment as a training performer with ONE31 in 2019. He became well known throughout the world for his major part in Together, the series, and his acting debut. At the beginning of his career, Vogue magazine recognized him as one of the 100 significant people in Thailand's fashion industry. Snowball Power is the official nickname he gave his fandom. On February 11, 2020, the announcement was posted on his Twitter account. On that day, in the subsequent years, his fans celebrated the fandom's anniversary. Metavin, whose Chinese fan club sponsored him, became the first Thai musician to be promoted in space in February 2021. This project showcases his expanding global reputation and his growing number of devoted fans. During the first half of 2022 and the whole of 2021, he attained the highest rise in Instagram followers among Thai actors. The American luxury jewelry company Tiffany & Co. named Metavin their house ambassador on February 29, 2024. He is the first person from Southeast Asia and Thailand to hold the title. Metavin's zodiac sign is Pisces. His nationality is Thai. Metavin height is 1.85 meter. His weight is 69 kilogram. His Thai zodiac sign is Aquarius. The blood type of Metavin is AB. His name came about when his father and mother were reading a magazine and saw a reference of a man by the name of Metavin. Because they loved the name, they chose it. He enjoys watching action films and films with alien life. Interstellar is also his favorite film. His prescription for short sight is -2. He is a watch and tiny car collector. His nose is his favorite feature. Being an architect is his ideal career. The smell of cucumbers and tomatoes bothers him. With the exception of dogs, he fears all animals. He is also afraid of spiders. Charlotte is the name of his dog. Hyun Bin and Lee Jung Suk are two of his favorite actors. Sports like basketball, swimming, soccer, and Muay Thai are Metavin hobbies. Metavin Opas has an Instagram account where he has 14.6 million followers. He always uses 2 bolster pillows when he sleeps. He has allergies to raw shrimp, cat hair, and dust. He wears glasses just when he is by himself at home, otherwise he wears contact lenses. At the moment, Metavin is single and not seeing anyone. Metavin net worth is around $15 million. He acknowledged in an interview that he is not a big talker and is quite nervous in private. He enjoys singing in the shower but finds it awkward to sing in front of others. Metavin has black hair and eyes. A straightforward, decent individual with a positive attitude and kindness for others is Vin's ideal type. Subscribe for more videos.